is a profound dive into your heart, into learning how to feel, being able to create the results that you want to see in your life.
We are holding space for a transformational weekend called Heart Lab, where we are supporting these courageous group of human beings in transforming patterns that have been obstacles in their growth.
Heart Lab for me was about initiating my own personal boundaries, learning my blind spots.
It has been deeply transformative, deeply empowering. I'm feeling like a better version of myself, which is the intention that I've been really calling in for this Heart Lab.